Hello, hi, welcome to the stream. Hope you had a good day. Oh, I guess my internet is not working. What is happening? Let's see. Yep, I got the notification. Learn again all the things that I had learned. So let's see. Let me see. YouTube is not receiving enough video to maintain smooth streaming. As we have explained buffering. Okay. So what? Don't know what is happening. Hope this stream is visible. So let's start. So I will be going through all these documents like go by example. I think I should start from this again. And okay, so these were the notes that I previously made when I was learning Go. Let me go through this quickly and we'll create another page. So what I'm thinking of doing is like making notes on the Notion so that I can have the PDF format of that and can reference whenever I want, and also like coding side by side so that I can get a hands-on experience. I have a hands-on experience, but for doing again, let's see. Okay, so let's start with the so what I will do is let me divide in the page in three sections. So this will be VS Code. Let me in this will this can come here. This has a way. Okay, yep. So this will come here. Where the browser? This can come here. Nope. वो कार्ड मेरे जेब से निकला ना हमने. Okay, so now all the screens are set. So let's start. Hello. Let me load this page. Let's go. Yay. खाना निकाल रहा हूँ मैं. Thank you. Now we'll try to stream daily. Thank you. So let's start with the CMD. And the first one is we'll try. Thank you. So first one is hello world. I will run this CMD to same. I will use this CMD to run Go programs, and will write it on the VS Code only for now. So first is hello world. So I can put them in order. Go by example, hello. First, I will print the classic hello world message. Here is the full source code to run the program. Put the code in the FMT is internal package. Let me confirm it. FMT forward IO functions package FMT implements for implement formatted IO with function and analogous to C's print and scanf. The format verbs are derived from C but are simpler. Okay, so it has percentage F and T, right? So percentage V percent the value is in the default format. The word true or false boolean database to the character represented by corresponding Unicode base 10. Oh, I want to know better probably. So let's start. So first is the package. Package will be CMD, and will import FMT for a basic IO. Then we'll write a basic main function that doesn't take any arguments and doesn't return anything, and it just print hello world. Yep, with this go run go mm, go run. Yep, correct. Package command line is not a what? Package command line argument is not a main package. So let me put that as CM. Sorry, main. This is the main package. Yep, correct. Okay, so now you can run and build the basic Go program, or we can also build it. So in the Notion toggle Go world, it will have uh, this will have a code block. Let me define some format that I will use throughout the application. Oh, and so we can run in two different ways. First, we can use run go world dot go, and the other is go build hello world dot go. Let me see what this build does. So we have only one C file. So second one is where it is. This one is ALF60 vertex executable file. Okay, it's like a window file, somewhat like that. Hello one hello. Okay, so this is one. Second one is values. Go as various values type including string, integer, floats, booleans, etc. Yes, yeah, some basic examples. Okay, so string which can be added together with plus, integer, and floats, boolean with boolean operators as you will expect. Okay, 1 plus 1. Okay, it's a float. So okay, it's a float. So okay, so let me set a file. This will be two values go, and package will be function will be main, or not main actually, yep, main device. So in this scope we can only have one main. We can do is let's see what we can do. So we also need to import fmt for basic input output. Okay, so go plus. Okay, so it does string concatenation, addition, then boolean. Sorry, float division, and then we have boolean checks. Or what I can do is let me create a folder and put the individual one in folders so that it will allow for the name ones, not names actually, the package names. Yep, I can put this here and this should not give any error then. Yep, right. And I can rename this. Okay, so let's start. So we are showing about fmt.print ln go this line, and we try with the booleans ones. This allows ternary, or let me see, print lm if true then apple is mic. Oh, this does not allow ternary operator. Let me see. Not cfp. Go. What are the arithmetic coefficient of system operator? Is pointed out and hopefully unsurprising using if plus else is indeed arithmetic operations in Go. I can bookmark this, that definitely. Let me take this here and bookmark this, right? Yep. Okay, so this is not somewhat available. Let me run the applications. So go run values.go. This is go plus and true and false is false, true or false is true. After this is then okay. So next we have variables. In Go, variable are explicitly declared and used by compiler to compile to example check type correctness of function call. So is initial var b c int 1 2 b and c are type of int. D is boolean true. E is int, and for E the default value of int is 0, not any garbage value. Yep. Var declare one or more variable. Okay, you can declare multiple variable at once. Go will infer the type of initialized variable. Variable declared without a corresponding initialization are non-value zero value. For example, the zero value for an int is sorry, the zero value for an int is 0. The syntax is shorthand for declaring and initializing a variable. Example for var f string apple. In this case, this syntax is only available inside a function Okay, so we can only use this inside a function, and we forgot to make that for what is that values. Now is variables. Okay, so default is 0. Okay, so let me create another folder. 3 is here. Or what I can do is, instead of moving to individual directories, I can directly run from here. So here we have 3. So inside 3 little create a variable dot go, and here we have variable dot go package main function main. We have to import fmt for file management, sorry, file input output. So, and so for the variables, like variables are declared using var, and we can use colon and equals to. Hello everyone. When you are editor but not used, okay, so use this to use print out print ln of a. So we have a log printed. So here we can declare multiple values. So b and c are of type int with values 2 and 3. It b and c both are not used, so let's see. Now we have, okay, so so this is just initialized not declared. We can have a boolean. Okay, so these are directly taken from the variable type. This is shortened for declaring and initializing a variable. Var declares one or more variables is shorthand for declaring variables, but can be reused inside function. Correct. So do we need to paste some code snippet? Not required actually. Let's move to another inside a in this case this syntax is only available inside a function. We have a constant, so this is something interesting. Oh, okay, so we forgot to run this. Go. It. So let me hit inside the for we will have a dot go. Okay, so no such file directory. First we need to create for and here it will work. Okay, so constants. Go suppose constants of character, string, boolean, and numeric values. Const declares a constant value create. This is constant. A constant statement can be anywhere. A var statement. A const statement can appear anywhere. A var statement can. Okay. Constant expressions performing. Hello, bro. I am using WSL. If you want, I can share the link. Constant expression performs arithmetic with arbitrary precision. And expressions perform with arbitrary precision. The number constant. A number can be plain WSL. Uh, you can reference this. It is Windows subsystem for Linux. Constant expression perform arithmetic with arbitrary precision. A numeric constant has no type until it's given one, such as by explicit conversion. Okay. Hello, bro. Welcome to the stream. How are you? I'm doing great. I thought of doing stream today, so I started. We are converting this into int64. Right. So it has what is the size? Easy to set through. What are you doing with Go currently? I'm just learning Go. Like I'm moving from like Express to Golang for the APIs. And then it is this. This is 19. Because 9. Yes. How is your project going? So we have math. We are using it. Oh, so we are getting a sign value of that. Nice. Okay, so declare a constant value. A constant string can anywhere in the okay. Create constant expression perform arithmetic with arbitrary precision. Is this? Let me see. Arbitrary precision arithmetic, also known as big num or simply long arithmetic, is a set of data structure which allows the screen says go by example. No, I'm learning from this website. It's officially by Go. It's like to start with the Go. There are few websites that are provided like referenced by Go in themselves. So this is one of them. Process much greater number than can fit in the standard up. Nice. Okay. So this is also constant for form. No, the one with the list. Okay, so this one you are saying. So this is Notion actually. I'm just making notes. Mhm. Yep. Next week I will start with like some simple projects on Go. Just I'm brushing up my like brushing like I'm like working on Go like after a month actually. The previous stream that I did, I started that time. Like that time I was going through like Next.js, I guess. I don't know. Constants perform arithmetic. I think precisions allows to process much greater numbers than can be fit. It's a programming language. It's like it's provide like control over concurrency and many other things. I'm also just exploring, so I cannot give you an absolute like example to make you like learn Go, but it's interesting. Like I got to know about Go when I was learning Docker because Docker is made up of Go. Yep, it's like JavaScript, but far better than that Go JavaScript. Like it's depend upon the perspective, obviously. There's much greater numbers. Like it's like a C like syntax. Like you get pointer, C plus plus, pointers, reference, and everything. So if you enjoy working with pointers, you will really love this. Welcome to constants can be okay. So package. So we will require two packages here, FMT and math. Main. So let me define const age the int of 10, or I can also do my age without this of 11. Oh, sorry. Yep. So if I print fmt dot print age and my age, and move to this guy. Math important and not used. Okay, so 10 11, and if I try to change age to 20, first of all compiler should give me an error, cannot assign. Okay, and if I do console log of this guy, cannot assign to age neither addressable nor map. Okay, so if I do this, if I take a reference to and measure operation cannot take address of age constant of type int. Okay, constants cannot, I cannot take a reference, or if I do plain console log this. Okay, great. So these things are different in divide. So I have this number, I'm dividing 3 raised to 20. So and divided by n, so this is raised, so this will come in raised to format, and we are type casting it to int 64, so this will be suitable and we are getting a sign value. Great. Now let me add this code block. I can declare a const of low equals to below. Great. For without a condition, okay, so this is for loop. For is goes only looping constants. Here are some basics, so I guess there is no while loop in Go. Yep, the most basic type with a single condition. For I is less than, print I plus plus. For j, this is for Clog syntax. This is Python. For I in the range, so I will increment for break, so this will be for infinite, I think so, or for without a condition will be really until you break out of the loop or return. Great. And this is conditional one, also continue on the next iteration loop. Great. Okay, so there's actually we will see some other for forms later when we look at the range statement channels and other data structures. Okay, so let me create a folder. This will be if loops dot go. Oops. Package main, function main. Okay, we add fmt println of below world. I'm watching penguins, not penguins, actually minions. So below the most basic type with a single condition. This is okay, so this is basic for loop. I'm directly assigning, declaring and assigning variable to one. For I is less than equals to 3, 3 dot print ln I, right? So this will print. The second one is of type normal format. So for I on j is equals to 0, j is less than equals to 2, j plus plus, not I plus plus, and stay console, not console love actually. I, why is there? Actually this is not already declared, so we'll use this column. We can 0 1 2, maybe we can print till 3, start with 1, let it be 0. Now we will move to range based queries. So for I in range of 3, from t ln of I rate. Then this is first one, I is less than this absolute check. This is infinite one. Let's run this. Oh. So we are not incrementing I. Into 3 0 1 2. Oh, where is this? Yes, the J not I. Let 4 4 4. So let, oh, sorry, I don't know. In sleep, I guess. Nice. Oh, sorry, not loop actually. For is loop. So for is a go only looping construct. There are some basic types of loop. The most basic type with a single condition. This is the most basic type with, what is this? The most basic type with a single condition is this guy. Yep. Second one is a classic initial. So classic, I know another way is do this. Another way is hello everyone, welcome to the stream. Another way of accomplishing the basic do this and times iteration is a range call. This is like a Python one. So copy this one. This will be a 4. Without a condition will loop repeatedly until you break out of the loop or return from the closing function. You can also continue to the next iteration of the loop. I'm not thinking of spending much time on these basic things like if and else one. Concept if and else is very straightforward. We are the basic if else. If this is okay, so we can add multiple also. If when 9 is less than the statement can precede conditions, any variable declared in the statement variable in the current and all subsequent branches. Okay, so this can be used in all the subsequent branches also. This is important one, I think. A statement can precede conditions. Any variable declared in the statement are variable in the current and all subsequent one. Yes. Great. So actually we don't need parentheses, but uh, that braces are required. Okay, there is no ternary if in Go, so you will need to use a full if statement even missing condition. What is this pointing to? Oh, nice. Elvis operator. Actually, %3f is question mark, I guess. Question mark and colon actually. Nice. Now we are moving to switch case. So we are here. I'm feeling sleepy. I don't know. Let's see. Okay, switch statement expresses conditional across many branches. Okay. Here's a basic switch I, case 1, case 2, case 3. So there is no break. You can use comma to separate multiple expression in the same case statement. We use the optional default case in this example as well. This is the default one. Is no case, just to default. This is a weekday time dot now dot weekday case time dot Saturday Sunday. This is weekend. Okay, nice. Switch without an expression is an alternate way of expression. If else, yeah, we also show how the case expression can be non-constants or is less than 12. It is before known time dot now, so time is an important library here. A type which compares types instead of values. You can use this to discover the type of the interface value. In this example, the variable t will have the type corresponding to a clause. So it's a function that takes an argument interface of I dot type switch t I of type is boolean int, and if I don't know type percent %t, so this is don't know one it. So this will be 6. So we are creating switch dot, not which, switch dot. Oh, and okay, so this one is switch. Okay, so switch statement express condition across many branches. Here is a basic switch. Uh, basic switch. So for the basic switch, so if I is 2 and print ln, so write I as, so what we can say is I is I is this side. So we can have a switch of I case 1, so it will print ln 1. This will work, this will be for 3, this will be for 2 and 3. Nice, so this is a basic switch statement. Basic switch statement. Then we can use comma to separate multiple expression in same case. So multiple expression in same case. So first let us get, okay, so directly we are getting switch t dot or time dot now dot weekday will be our key, and cases will be time Saturday or time dot Sunday. Then fmt dot, and this is a it's weekend, or default will be if nothing is matched, and if dot print ln It's weekday. Great. Okay, so what is written is commas are used to separate critical case from. Let me take a break for 5 minutes. Hello, we are back. Let's start again. Not again, actually. So, multiple expressions. In same case, okay, or same, which case commas are used to create multiple cases. Okay, now switch without an expression is alternative way of expressing if else. Here we also show how the case expression can be non-constant. Okay, switch to is less than default, so we can add a multiple. Hello bro, how are you? Welcome to this stream. Okay, so switch can also be used. Switch without any key. So case is so they are meant doing with time same. Okay, so what we can do is okay, so let's keep it simple. Time now. If t dot r is less than 12, and ln it's before 12, we can say noon. Those who are curious, I'm learning uh, Golang. R is greater than 12, then it will be this afternoon. So what here we are doing is we are not specifying any case. Is starting with the switch case time dot now gives us the time, and time we can get in okay, so let me print this time also. What we are getting time dot print ln of p. This is 6. And switch unknown command. So go run. Okay, so it's given a long format, so we are getting only specific um thing that we want. So here what we are doing is we are getting time dot now. This is time dot now dot. Okay, so it has multiple functions. What we can do is start. We have everything before. Nice. Okay, so a type switch compares type instead of values. A type switch without an expression. A type switch compares type instead of values. Instead of value, you can use this to discover the type of an interface values. In this example, the value we will have the type corresponding to is This is function without a name actually. Is type of interface. Interface is not yet sorry, not yet covered. So let's see. So we can cover this entire stuff actually. Like this. So let me go through it. Basic switches, switch I is a value, I want to multiple expressions in same switch case. Commas are used to separate. So here we are doing switch case on two different values like time dot Saturday and time dot Sunday. Switch can also be used as if else like this. So how this can be used as if else by not specifying key for the switch. Great. Hello everyone, welcome to the stream. So now we have arrays. So in Go, an array is a number sequence of elements of a specific length. In typical Go code, slices are much more common. Array are useful in some special scenarios. So we are at arrays. So after this we have slices. Nice. What's this? Okay, so here we create an array A that will hold exactly 5 ints. So just occupying space for 5 int. The type of element and length are both part of array type. By default, an array is zero valued, okay, which is for ints means zero. We can set a value at an index using array index value and get using okay. The built-in length returns the length of the array. Great. Use this syntax to declare and initialize an array in one line. So here we are declaring and initializing an array. Nice. And you can also have the compiler count the number of element for you. Okay, so here the compiler will count the how much element we have. If you specify the index with colon, the element is between will be 0. Okay, so 3 to 400 these elements will be 0. Array types are one dimensional, but you can compress types to build multi-dimensional array. This array is 2 by 3, so we have 2 rows and 3 columns. We can create an initialize multi-dimensional array at once. Nice. Now note that array appears in the form of when printed with okay. For the 2D one, the seventh one I guess. 7. That's 7. We have array dot go. This will be main. So array is a number sequence of element. We can create an array to hold exactly 5 ints. So we create an array A that will hold exactly 5 ints. The type of element and length are both part of the array. By default, an array is 0 valued. So what we can do is var A value of length 5 and type will be int. Ln of A. So this is okay. We create an array that hold exactly 5 ints. Array to hold 5 ints. So this is syntax is like var, then variable name, then size of the array and type of the array. So for the to create an array, we declare var, the name of the array, the size and the type of the array. Nice. I'm not going to write this. The built-in length of an array will be ffp dot length of this a. Nice. Declare and initialize array in one line. So declare and init array in one line. So what we can do is apple is an array of size 5. Its type is int and values are 1 2 3 4 5, and we can use fmt print and of apple. Great. Declare an init array in one line. You can also have compiler count the number of element with you. Don't specify the size of array. Let compiler decide. So what we can do is apple to. So actually we usually define a type, but we are not doing, we are not going to specify the size. And what we can do is 1 2 3 4 and fmt dot print ln of apple 2. Great. Don't specify the size of the array, let compiler decide. Nice. So this is new thing. If we specify the index with colon in between v0, this means apple 3 will be of size dynamic, like the compiler decide. Then 1 2, then we can add a colon to 300, and then 4. Then if we do fmt dot print, this will be of type int. If we do fmt dot print apple is taken, so we can do apple p. To do is same as this one. Now let's move to slices first. Let me create a toggle of hello Shanavas, welcome to the stream. Array to hold 5 ints, length of the array, declare an int array in one line. कैसे हो सच्ची? We specify the index with colon. Element in between will be 0. So let me run this. 4 and this is 7. Let's see what we get. So for the last one, what? I guess I misunderstood that one. TCL 1 2 3 4 5. Nope, not that one. This is IDX 100 0 0. Okay, so numbers are empty, so it will be 0 100 400 500 100 400 500. We specify the element in between will be zeroed. How much will be zeroed? Not understood that. What is that? Let me see. So now we add slices. Slices are an important data type in Go, giving a more powerful interface to sequence than array. Okay. That's an important data type in Go, giving a more powerful interface to sequences than array. Unlike array, slices are tabbed only by the elements by contain, not the number of elements. Okay, so I was tabbed. The slice equals to nil and has length of 0. Okay, this is an initialized slice var as of string, so we are not specifying here. I don't know, let's see. So unlike array, slices are typed only by the element they contain, not the number of element. An initialized slice equals to nil or has length of 0. This is nil or this is length is 0. So we are identifying it. it's an array or a slice. Or as int, so we have just imported slices. Here to create an empty slice with non-zero length, use a built-in make. Here we make a slice of string of length 3, initially 0 valued. By default, a new slice capacity is equal to its length. If we know the slice is going to grow ahead of time, it's possible to pass a capacity explicitly as an additional parameter to make. Okay, so here we are specifying the length. We can set and get just like an array is nice. We have a length. In addition to these basic operations, slices support several more than make them richer than array. More that make one is the built-in append which returns a slice containing one or more new values. Note that we need to accept a return value from append as we may get a new slice value. So we are getting the return value. Slices can also be copied. Here we create an empty slice C of the same length as S and a copy into C from S. Slices support a slice operator. Okay, slices support a slice operator with the syntax slice low high. For example, this is to get a slice of elements 2 and 4. Slices up to but excluding S5. We can declare and initialize a variable for slice in a single line as well. Okay, and the slices package contain a number of useful utility functions. Slices dot equals t1, t equals to t2. Okay, slices can be compressed into multi-dimensional, same as that. Note that while slices are built by different types than arrays, they are rendered similarly. Okay, check out this great blog by the code team for more detail on design and implementing slices. Again, now that we have seen array and slices, we will go to other built-in. Okay, so let me bookmark this. We'll go through this tomorrow. So thank you everyone for joining. Bye bye. Have a good night.